That shooting brings to light a similar incident where a troubled young man was also shot and killed by IMPD officers in 2015.
Christopher Goodlaw was armed with a knife when police officers said he lunged at them in the parking lot of an apartment complex. Fox 59's Russ McQuaid spoke with Goodlaw's mother, who still wonders what else could have been done to protect her son and Kendall Gilbert last night. Russ?
Good afternoon, Dan. Pamela Wooden appreciates that IMPD has changed its tactics in responding to someone in the middle of a mental health crisis, but believes it's not enough if the troubled person still dies. Some things have changed, some have not, since Christopher Goodlaw died in December of 2015, when officers say he swung a knife at them during a mental health incident in a parking lot, and they responded with fatal gunfire. The IMPD response was different, but the result was the same last night outside of a home in the 4500 block of Woodland Drive, when police fatally wounded Kendall Gilbert, who officers say had a knife and a machete and lunged at them.
I can't imagine what the family was going through, because there's so many times I cried out for help for Christopher, and I got the same results.
IMPD says Gilbert's family had been calling 911 since Friday to report that the 40-year-old man was threatening them and wouldn't come out of his room, but he hadn't necessarily assaulted anyone.
Multiple negotiators spoke with the man, and unfortunately they were not able to have any meaningful communication with the individual throughout the incident.
That's when the incident turned dangerous and an officer fired and killed Gilbert.
They could have had him water hose down by the fire department, anything. And then when they up that close and he's coming that close, where is your rubber bullets? Where is something else to get this young man some help?
IMPD's general orders direct officers to de-escalate, call in additional resources, and use non-lethal means, which IMPD said it did to no avail.
Even though they left it in the family's hand, the family knew that it was out of their hand. That's why they was calling and crying out for help.
The city has some limited professional mental health help during limited hours in limited parts of the city, and during much of the weekend, Kendall Gilbert's situation fell outside of those places and times. If Gilbert would have cooperated, the city could have had a bed for him if he had arrived at the Assessment and Intervention Center, but he wouldn't come out of his bedroom until he did, and then he was armed with a machete. In the newsroom, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.
Okay, Russ, thank you so much.